What's going on, boaters? We just got in a 2027 Barletta Cabrio 22 QC. This boat is beautiful. Let's check out a few features. Starting off on the outside, you have your blue sapphire panels with your black rails. Coming to the back, you are going to have your lily pad ladder, so super dog friendly. It is powered by a Mercury 200 V6. You have your ski tow bar here in the back with your flag. Keep it up, or you can put it away as well. Coming into the back here, you have your two couches with lots of in-seat storage, JBL audio throughout the whole boat. You have your co-captain and captain's chair. All new for 2027 is going to be your touchscreen display over here, where you can control your lights, your navigation, your bilge pump, your horn. You have a small glove box right here. You have your Simrad touchscreen display with your gauges, phone holder, your JBL audio control, huge center tune ski locker. You have a pop-up table right here, so flip that up, have your drinks and snacks out all day. And of course, with Barletta, you have your dog friendly, so you are gonna have your dishes. So bring your dogs out, they can stay hydrated all day long, along with your doggy see-through doors. They can be enjoying the water just as much as you are. You're gonna wanna come check out this boat at MarineMax in Crosslake, or visit it on our website at marinemax.com. Let's get you out on the pontoon this summer.